Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Shimo's face from the new Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Shimo's face, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by just making a little line that's just going to curve down. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around. Next, I'll bring a line that's just going to come up and then down here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to bring it down and then over. Then I'll draw another line right here. And then a couple little curved lines right behind it. Next, I'm going to make a little broken line. It's just going to come down and then up here. Now, starting out here, let's make the nose. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'll make this come up here. Then I'm just going to kind of go down and up, and I'm just going to make this a little wavy like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here. And I'm going to bring this back here. Next, I'm going to draw this line down. And I'll curve it around. Now, starting back here, I'm going to draw a curved line for the back of his mouth. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines right inside of there for some detail. Now, to start off with the teeth, we're just going to make some small, sharp teeth in here. We're just going to kind of space them out a little bit. Just like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to put some small, sharp teeth. Kind of space them out a little bit, and then you can put a few right behind each other once you get kind of to the curves. Now for the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and then down here. And then another bump. We're just going to come up and down, and then we're going to bring this back here. I'll bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this line right up here. I'll add a couple little points in here for some teeth, and then we'll do the same thing here, just a couple small little points for some teeth. Next, I'm going to make just some broken lines right around here. And then maybe a little broken line or two on the tongue. Now let's work on the nose. I'm going to start here, and I'll draw a line that goes over. We're going to come down and in. And then we'll make another little line right over here. Then I'll draw a little line that curves around, and then a little line down, and a little line over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then I'm going to make it a little bumpy and go down. Then we'll come out and kind of repeat that same thing a few times until we get right past the head, or the eye, I should say. Next, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here to a point and then down. Then we'll start here and we'll kind of do that same thing, make it a little bit longer. Then I'm just going to kind of repeat this a few more times with some different size spikes. So make another one that's just going to come out here and bring it back. Then we'll make one that's going to come out here and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few little bumps like this. And I'm going to bring them out and then kind of curve them up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve around and come up here. They'll make a little kind of broken line right around here. Next, let's go ahead and work on the neck. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make lines going to come over and then up. Then I'll make one that's going to go down and then up. Another one that goes down and up. One more here. One here. One that curves down, and then one right here. Next, I'm going to add a couple little spikes. So I'm going to add a couple little lines that just kind of come up. And then one here, and one right here. Now let's make some of the spikes on top of the head. I'll begin by making one that's going to come up here and then down. Then I'm going to make some pointed ones that come up and down here. Make another one here, a little shorter. Make one that's going to come up and down here. Make some more that come over here. And we'll just kind of fill in these areas with some different pointed spikes. Then I'm going to come in here and add a few little smaller ones. And even in some of these little areas too. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down here. It's going to jump over and come down. Another one's going to come up and in. And we're going to go down and then kind of come back. I'm going to make some just kind of broken little lines right around here. Next, up here I want to add some details on the face. So I'm going to make some little broken lines that are just going to kind of come right up here on Shimo's face. We're just kind of curving these around. And then I'm going to make some more kind of little pointed lines right around here. Just kind of fill in some extra texture. I'm going to make some little broken lines here. And I'll even put some coming right down these spikes. And we'll even put some right on here too. So I'm going to put some little texture lines on here. Right around the neck, just these quick little like wrinkly broken lines on here. And then just add some more little lines right along here. Then I'm going to add a few more little lines right around the eyes. And a couple of lines over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a close-up of Shimo's face from the new Godzilla & Kong: The New Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.